All right, we just received this, and let's go ahead and open up. This is a bone conduction hearing aid, and bam, look at that. Pretty snazzy. Oh, does come with some information on how to use it. We may need that. Set that there, and there is, it looks like some type of controlling device here. And for some reason, it's in the on position. Let's put it in the off position. And in the back, if we open it up, there's AAA batteries in there. Now, I'm not quite sure how this works. We're going to have to probably do a little bit of investigation. So let's set that down, put it back inside here for now. And let's take a look and see what we got here. Whoops. Man, comes with, it looks like this is a USB. Oh, look, it's magnetic. So this you're going to plug into you're going to need a block, right? You plug this into the block, and then this will, I guess this goes on these this device here. So let's get this thing out of here. Oh, there it is. Look. All right, so this is our, I guess this is what we listen with. And I think we may need to charge it, right? So we'll do that. And I think that the way you charge it is this thing right here, which is magnetic, is going to go on here. It only goes one way. So if you try to do it this way, it repels. So you got to put it this way. All right, so that's that. And now I just got to plug this into a block, and we'll charge these bad boys up and see what we think. How's that sound? Let's do it. All right, so here's my block, right? And here's my USB. I think they call it an A. We just got to plug it in there. And then this should give us an indicator. I think it is. So you can see it's showing a red light, and that's telling you that it's charging. So it's Mearsun, right? And we just got to let them charge up. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So we'll set these here, we'll come back, and hopefully they turn, I don't know, green, or they'll turn some color and let us know that they're charged, and then we can give them a try and see what we think.